So again with a new video. Today we are going to make pancakes, and you're going to make pancakes with cardamom. So the ingredients of the day: we have flour, we have the cardamom. I'm going to use a bit of oats. We're going to have sugar, vanilla essence, a cup of milk, and water. Karibuni. So we are going to mix the dry ingredients kwanza, then we add water and milk. So we add our oats. Oats si lazima, you can add, or if you don't have oats, you don't have to add. We add sugar, do depending on the way you like them sweet. For me, I love sugar, so I've added a lot. And then we have oil. Nimesahau kutaja. We add our cardamom and a pinch of baking powder. It's also an ingredient. Then we add our milk. Now we are going to add the wet ingredients, but before then we can first do this. We stir and mix the dry ingredients so that we can add the wet ingredients. So that is done. We are now going to add our milk and water. I add a cup of milk. At this point you can add your vanilla. It's also not, it's optional. If you don't have, usiongeze. If you have, ongeza. So I'm adding my vanilla. Then we start stirring. Pole pole too. Keep stirring until it's soft. If you don't have this, you can just use the manual way. I just want to make work easier. That's why I'm using this. And it can be a bit messier, so you just be careful. We are done mixing, and this is the consistency we have. You can see, not so thick, not so light. Hapo katikati. That's how I like my mix to be. So now you can straight away start cooking. You can heat our pan. Our pan is already hot, so we can add a little bit of oil, kidogo sana. I don't like so much oil in our pancakes, so we add so little oil. You can use a cup. Let's use a cup to get the dough. The same cup we were using for our oats. You can use the same cup. Si lazima ikuwe perfect. As long as it's yummy. Shape tuachie wenyewe wenye wanajua kutengeneza shape. This is a very nutritious way of making pancakes. When you add your oats, it gets so nutritious. Because oats have fewer calories than most of carbohydrates you eat. I changed the pan as I said, so we wait for the pancake to cook on the lower side so that we can flip it. This is much better. Hiyo ingine ilikuwa ina stick kidogo, so I changed the pan. It's now cooked on the lower side, so now we can flip it. See the way it looks. Looks so well. It has a very nice color. You flip on the other side. It was almost burning, but it's okay. Remove this one. Put the next mafuta kidogo, si mengi sana, kidogo tu, so that it cannot stick the pan. Then we put our unga. I'm just using this one to make work a bit easier. Ndio nimeona nikichota na kikombe ina spill sana. So I'm just using this to make work easier. So let's give it time to cook on that side. So it's cooking. You can see it has some, when it starts kutoa utu mashimo, that's a sign that imeanza kuiva chini, but let's give it some time. Ive kabisa. Let's flip on the other side. It's already cooked. See the way it looks. Looks so amazing. So we give it time to cook on that side. You can flip on the other side. This one is already done. So we remove this one and continue the process with the rest of the flour. This is the last one. We are done cooking. They're smelling so nice. Cardamom in them. Smells so nice. You can see the way they look like. No. It looks so nice. All of them look so nice, very soft. Very nice. Look at them. Very soft. Yeah. This is a sign that inaendelea kuiva huko chini. You can see the bubbles. These small bubbles. But bado haijaiva kabisa. We just wait for hii unga iko huku ikauke kabisa. Kisha kauka huko chini na kuanga sure bet imeiva. So give it some more time. Do not eat pancakes. If you want them to eat pancakes, try adding cinnamon. That's a secret that if you want them to eat, watakula mpaka utatamani. Yes. I've tried that. It has worked for me. And I hope it works for you too. So it has cooked. Hapa chini imeiva. Can add kidogo oil so that we can flip. And then flip. See, it looks so, look at it. It looks yummy already, even without tasting. Looks yummy. Check inakaa aje huku chini. See? Iko sawa, lakini let's give it some time kidogo tu. It is done. for others. And our pancakes are done. As you can see, they're so looking lovely. Yes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.